Hi, this is the Realme 11 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and at the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK. And now we could see here information about our battery temperature. In my case that's 28 and 2 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.